It's time for some natural logs and exponentials with a base of e. What's e, you might ask? E is just a number. It's a number that goes on forever. It's an awesome number in math and all those things, right? So you know how like pi is like 3.14159, it goes on forever and ever and ever? E is the same kind of thing. It's 2.7 something, okay? We could get in the whole details of e and how e is derived and all that stuff. We're not going to do that here. We're just going to talk about natural log and natural base exponential function. Okay, so natural log is log base e, as I've said, meaning I could have just had f of x equals log base e of x. Those are the same thing, okay? Natural log is just log base e. It's so commonly used that it gets its own thing. And you might be like, well, natural log, why isn't it NL instead of LN? I don't know if this is true, but one of my high school teachers told me it's logarithmic natural. I bought it, right? It sounds fancy. I'm going to go with it. And I'm going to say that to you, and I'm going to continue that storyline, okay? So there we go. You got natural log of x and e to the x. They behave the same way as any of our other exponential functions and any of our other log functions. For example, we can write in exponential form. Okay, well, how am I going to write in exponential form? Okay, so there's a couple ways of thinking about this. Some people will be like, all right, well, let me rewrite this as log base e of x equals 10, and then I can loop and swoop this bad boy to be e to the 10th equals x, and that would work. I've also seen some people, let me write this again, go like this. I'm going to take both sides and put it e to that power, okay? Now, I know from my log properties, sidebar, if natural log is log base e, then I'd have e to the log base e of x equals e to the 10th. Well, log base e of e, we know simplifies down to just x. So this becomes x, and I've got e to the 10th. And that would be my exponential form. As we already saw there, it's just reversed right there, right? Same thing though. Cool? Either way you slice it, you get the same answer. So your call. All right, let's write in log form. So now I need to rearrange this. And if I rearrange this, I'm going to have log base e of 8 equals 2x. And log base e is just natural log and of 8 equals 2x. This would be my log form. And in the same way we did the last one, I could also do this. I'm going to go ahead and put natural log on both sides. We'll take the natural log of both sides. So that's going to be natural log of 8. But what's going to happen on the left-hand side? Quick sidebar. I'd have log base e of e raised to the 2x. And I know from my log properties that log base e of e is just 1, leaving me with just 2x. There we go. So some people see this as like, oh, they cancel each other out, right? They're inverses of each other. So we're just left with the 2x, and this would be my log form. And as you can see, once again, we are reversed, but it's an equation. They can be on either side. Either one of those would be acceptable. However you like to think about it is up to you, because America, freedom, rock and roll, Costco, Riverdog, Jenny on the gram, Yo-Ro, that's upside down. Yo-Ro, have a wonderful day, guys. See ya.